Okay, bring it back in. I feel like I'm like on the Good Morning Show. I mean, I've got lots where's my makeup artist? Johnny, I need a water. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Cruise with Donald and Crissie. I've got some great cruise news stories for you today, starting with the Carnival Valor. It nearly missed a cargo ship sailing up the Mississippi River. Passengers did say that the ship was on the way to New Orleans when the captain made a hard turn to avoid hitting a cargo vessel that had reportedly lost power. Here's a video posted on social media by Michael Bell.
Somebody's shoe. Fuck this shoe.
This would be a very scary situation, I believe, especially for small children or people with balance issues. Definitely for people that are elderly that's on these cruise ships that have trouble walking anyway. I feel like that they could lose balance very easy, especially in the abrupt way that the cruise ship had tried to bypass that cargo ship. So I hope everybody is okay. Carnival did say that it continued operating normally after the incident and offered medical assistance, and it was provided to any guests that requested it. Valor did arrive in New Orleans as scheduled. We just hope everyone was okay. I want this in my lap, actually. Was there something in that seat?
Your phone.
Oopsie. Oopsie daisy. Now on to story number 2. Virgin Voyages just announced it had its biggest revenue day in the history of the company. The bookings opened for the Valiant Lady's first Northern Europe cruise for 2028. Virgin says its initial inventory sold out within hours. Those cruises accounted for more than half the revenue for the day for their August bookings. They had been running about 20% more than last year, but after the new cruises were posted and people started booking that sale, it jumped more than 45% more than last year in August. So y'all are ready to go to Europe. We personally have not been on a Virgin cruise. I would love to go on a Virgin cruise. I mean, I would give it a shot. If you have went on a Virgin cruise, leave a comment below. Let us know how you liked it. If you're going on this Virgin cruise to Europe, leave a comment below because that is super exciting and I would love to join you on that one. Now on to story number 3. The NCL Sun is staying its second overnight stay in Copenhagen, which is where the passengers have embarked. So this is the second night that they've stayed there, but the passengers still have to get on board at the regular scheduled times. Hopefully no one takes too much advantage of this, because if you decide to stay in a hotel or hang out for those 2 days, you might get left behind. Why? Because customs will close. If customs are closed, then there's no boarding. So be sure that if you're on NCL Sun, you get back on the cruise ship at your regular scheduled time, because when the cruise ship leaves, you all know, it leaves. Unfortunately, they did have to cancel a port of Ulsa, and they also had to cancel a sea day on their 10-day journey because of these necessary repairs that the NCL Sun was having to make. So they are down to 8 days basically. I'm sure there's a lot of disappointment. From compensation from NCL, they are giving the passengers a $100 non-refundable onboard credit to spend on the cruise ship. So this sounds like a pretty good compensation, but think about it, guys. If you forget to use it, you're not getting compensated at all. If you do use it in the casino, you are putting it in the casino. If you don't get anything out of it, then you didn't get compensated. And then if you're using it on board, a lot of the stuff has such a big markup that, I mean, they're basically giving you $10 or $20 of credit instead of $100 because everything is such a huge markup on the ships. So, I mean, what do you think about the compensation for having to cut out literally 2 days of your 10-day cruise by just setting in a port in Copenhagen? And not only that, but they're having to get back on the cruise ship at the appointed time, or they could possibly get left behind. So leave a comment below. And as always, we would love for you to follow our YouTube channel, Cruise with Donald and Crissie. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like this video, be sure to click on this video because we are showing you how to get 23 cruise essential items at Dollar Tree. That's not what I meant to say. Cut here. Restart. Just delete that whole section that I just said.